everyone. My name is Dong Wei as a production executive. So I'm in charge in production department in Sephora company. So today I'm going to present about how production departments run in our company, and I will also talk about for the upcoming event. And as we know that now our company have faced some current issue, and so I have come out some solution to overcome this current issue in our company. So now I will briefly talk about how production department runs. As we know that production department is a department that produce good for this business in order to sell our product to consumer in order to bring the revenue for our company. So first thing first, we will make sure that all the product is halal because our company already get a halal certificate from the government, and this allows especially for the Muslim consumer to be confident to use our product. Next, we also will make sure that the product is safe to use. Before we launch the product, we will check and have a test on each product that we launch, make sure that the product is safe to use and does not bring any harms to skin. And next, we will minimize the cost. As we know that production department have a task which is to find an effective way to decrease the cost of production. This is because it needs a lot of cost to purchase the raw material, machinery, and equipment in order to produce the product. So I have found a best way to lower the cost, which is make sure that the machinery and equipment is well maintained so that it does not regular repair the machinery and equipment. So now I will talk about the upcoming event, which is the Harvard event. So our department have come out some idea. So first, we will try to launch some product in limited edition series. This can catch many people attention, especially for Sephora fans, because they will try to collect every limited edition series. Next, we also have designed some new packaging on our product to catch more people attentions. And next, we have also decided to come out some new color in lipstick and eyeshadow. And last but not least, which is we will come out a new aroma in perfume. We have this kind of idea and we have choose some color and aroma that have based on consumer respondents. So now I will talk about the current issue and some solution for our company. So our company now has faced a very serious issue, which is staff shortage. This is due to the pandemic of COVID-19 that have faced around the world. And for the upcoming event, we need more staff in order to run the event more successfully. So there are some solutions. First is to create a better working environment. And second is improve communication skill between employers and employees. So first, companies should create a better working environment so that employee will feel more safe in their working place. This is because they have spent most of their time in their working environment. And due to the pandemic of COVID-19, employees feel unsafe in their working environment, so they have decided to quit their job due to the high risk of getting a positive COVID-19 is much more higher. So companies should provide more healthy products such as masks and hand sanitizer to avoid of getting COVID-19. So with a better working conditions, employee also can increase the number of production. Next is to improve communication skills between employers and employees. This is very important, especially for employees that work in a group. If they can communicate well, then the amount of the argument between employers and employee will decrease, as the way they communicate can motivate employers with a positive conversation. So that's all from me. Thank you.